Hey LEGO fans, today we're going to be looking at a new LEGO Technic set. It's the 42148 Snow Groomer. This is a pretty sweet little Technic set which allows you to move the Snow Groomer, position that right and left. And then it also has this little, I guess, kind of grooming, or I don't know if it helps it stop, mechanism in the back. And you can lift the plow or groomer as well. I think it's technically it's a groomer, but it kind of acts like a plow. But it's a pretty sweet set for around $12–13 US. Has some nice tracks. I guess if you got bored with it, you could part it out. But I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks so much. Bye.